Alright everybody, we're back. I haven't filmed in a while, so hope you guys have been good. It's been quite a year, but I am grateful to have a gig like this and spend some time in one of my favorite interiors, the Mazda 3. One of our customers wants a turbo sedan Premium Plus in Platinum Quartz. I found our friends at Auto Barn, Evanston, Illinois, to have the vehicle, and they were willing to accept a 2026 Mazda 3 hatch carbon edition. Mazda 3 is still going strong here in the 2026 Mazda 3. No changes or major changes to the chassis at all for the year 2026 from 2025. I've got my heated seats, dual zone climate control. Does not have Bose sound system in the carbon edition, but you do have your moonroof. And this is all-wheel drive as well. So a little strange but true, some famous people from Evanston, Illinois. Check this out. You got John Cusack, Seth Meyers, Bill Murray, Eddie Vedder. Also too, if you have an older Mazda or a Mazda 3 that doesn't have wireless connectivity for the Apple Carplay, Android Auto, I have a product in the description of this video that can get you the wireless access really easy. It runs on average about 35 bucks. So take a look at that if you need it. Take me to Auto Barn Evanston.
There's the Auto Barn Mazda of Evanston 35 miles away. Want to navigate there?
Yes. And if you are closer to Evanston Auto Barn Mazda, ask for Jeff. He's the manager there that helped me out on this trade.
I'll be living in this world they call the earth. There's dreams we had and I can't do wrong. No, I can't do it all.
Alright, again, got what we came for. Turbo Premium Plus sedan in Platinum Quartz Metallic for Henry. So let's get it safely back to our location and deliver it. And of course, with somebody's new baby, I'm gonna take it nice and slow, nice and easy on back roads as much as possible. Keep a safe distance between me and the car in front of me. Let's get the directions back, going to Crystal Lake. And if you need a Mazda 3 or another Mazda product you'd like information on, feel free to send me an email. I'd be happy to help out in any way I can. And if you need help with the Mazda in the Chicagoland area, you can see me or our friends that helped us out today, Jeff at Mazda, Auto Barn Mazda in Evanston. Thanks a lot for the help again, Jeff. Alright, getting it with 21 miles on the odometer. I got enough fuel in it, thank goodness. Sometimes you get these and they're bone dry, so let's set up the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto so we can get our way back, navigate it safely, and I'll see you when I'm back on the road. Alright, so we are back on the road. Everything is going smooth. Got about 20 more minutes in the car back to Crystal Lake. We're currently in Lake Zurich. And also taking it easy. I haven't had to do any panic stops, which is nice for the break-in period for this car. There's not really anything else you have to worry about. You don't want to do any panic stops, no full throttle starts, or you don't want to use cruise control for at least maybe 1,000, 1,200 miles, because you don't want to have the engine running at a consistent RPM for a very long time as when it's new. So now the carbon edition Mazda 3 that we took to Evanston for the trade was a 2026 naturally aspirated 2.5 4-cylinder, and this is of course a turbo, so the gobs of power and torque, it is in my opinion worth it if you have the extra 4,000 bucks. And it does have the Bose sound system, so I've been rocking out. Along with that turbo engine in this Premium Plus, I have the paddle shifters, which I used all the time in my Mazda 3, just to create momentum in a certain way that I want to, either by engine braking or with a high RPM downshift. and the rev matching. You could do it via the steering wheel with the paddle shifters or your gear selector. Welcome back, everyone. This is a look at a 2026 BMW M3. This is a rear-wheel drive variant, a little over 500 horsepower. This is Tanzanite Blue II with Tartufo interior, coming in at $86,000. I love the blue. If I was a blue fan, this would be nice. We're getting it ceramic. Great look to the leather. Illuminated headrest. Of course, a slick manual. And that's likely auto rev matching. Sharp looking wheels, pop nice. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
So this is available currently. So if you know anyone looking for this, it's got staggered setup for the wheels. And a really, really sharp and sporty contrast to the exterior and interior on this. Carbon fiber roof.
I ain't too tall. No, I can't do it all.
So this will get set up in
I
front
ain't
showroom.
too tall.
What's up, dude? What's that? No, I have not. Okay. This will be back on the showroom floor. We'll look at it again when we get that all cleaned up in ceramic and put on the showroom floor. 2026 BMW M3 available at BMW Crystal Lake. You can see me, and my email address is in the description below for this. We got parking assistance package and an executive package on it, and then the all-weather floor mats. Don't forget, it's maintenance free for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever one comes first. With a safety rate in the sports car, pretty good. Alright, well, see you in the next video. Have a great day, safe travels.